The US dollar may struggle to capitalize on a hawkish Fed as other central banks including the BOE and ECB prepare to following its lead and pull back on stimulus. US dollar forecast: US dollar will try to build on post-FOMC gains. Will it succeed? The US dollar snapped a 4-week losing streak and looks likely to attempt a larger recovery following a hawkish FOMC policy meeting. Its success is far from assured. British pound forecast likely to take a breather as Brexit talks resume. GBP/USD will likely pause for breath this week after its steady climb throughout the year so far. Japanese yen forecast: the Bank of Japan adds a new dove to the dole. CPI on deck. The Bank of Japan may be even more dovish now with the addition of a new board member, but threats from North Korea may continue to restrain the runaway yen weakness that's become commonplace in risk-on environments. Australian dollar forecast: Australian dollar looks set to hang on at the heights. The Australian dollar's 2017 role in life seems to be to hover around its highs, at least against the US version. There seems little chance of a change this week. New Zealand dollar forecast: NZD/USD bid ahead of election outlook hinges on RBNZ policy. Fresh remarks from the Reserve Bank of New Zealand RBNZ may influence the near-term outlook for NZD/USD, with Prime Minister Bill English slated to win the election. Equities forecast: SP 500 looks to maintain footing. DAX, German elections this weekend. Looking ahead to next week, markets will try to keep steady footing barring surprises. North Korea, German elections, FTSE rises back into key resistance on May Brexit speech. Gold forecast: gold prices plunge as Fed embarks on QT support targets in view. Gold broke below the monthly opening range lows this week, with prices at risk for further losses near term. Here are the updated targets and validation levels that matter. Crude oil forecast: oil nears 27-month high, but OPEC extension needed. The price of a barrel of oil has moved higher in the past 3 months as the current OPEC production cut agreement crimped output, but markets now need to know if these cuts will be extended or not. See what live coverage is scheduled to cover key event risk for the FX and capital markets on the daily webinar calendar. See how retail traders are positioning in the majors using the IG client sentiment readings on the sentiment page.